Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video. The first day of the month, we use the digit force, and that is the bot we are using today with starting a capital of 140. And it's very simple. It's doing even odd. So you click on the auto even odd pro, and that is the bot. Then you scroll down and then set your parameters. So how do you set your parameters? It is upon you to decide whatever you want. You can use the fast speed or slow. So I'll just use this fastest, and then martingale you can turn it on or off. So from here, the take profit, you can change. There's a way you can calculate these by doing some risk management. So we have 140, so you just click 140 then times 10%. So you are only aiming to get your 10% from the starting capital. So that is 14 USD, and you'll already have gotten a 10% of your starting capital. So increase the stop loss, and the stake we are going to be using the same. So if we have 2.6 is good, and you start the bot as easy as that. So let's ensure that it is okay. That is good. So we can now start our bot simple as that on the first mode. So as we talk is you will be seeing wins here accumulates, and it's very easy. So you just have to do that, and remember it should stop after it triggers that you have made all through a 14 USD increase in PL. So it will be calculating the wins and the losses, minusing the wins and the losses, so that it can equalize and get the net profit, which is very correct. So you can also stop immediately you want to. It's not a must you wait for it to do the calculations, and you can just click the stop button. So it is that easier. You can see at 14, so 12 the 0.06, 14.26, then you stop in case you want. So if it is upon your wish, you can either stop or proceed executing your trades. It's whatever you want. So let's just stop here, and then we call it a day. Okay, I can see there we have stopped, and then okay, there's an increase there to 32.63 USD. So let's check. I guess here there is a streak which has happened, that's why it has jumped there. So you can see volatility 25 index, how we have made severe losses there, and like they are almost 4, and you can see finally we have made some good profits. You can see that streak, and I think with 100, let's see where we have gotten. We had 140, so currently at 172.23 USD, so with a net profit of 31. So if we decide to maybe reach this account to 200 USD, maybe we can use a different approach. So we are still using the digit force, so it's the same bot that we are going to maybe try reach to that point. So we do what? We use now a stake rate of 2, because it will give us a small edge, because at 172, and then we use a stake of 2, then let's just use a stick of 2, then nothing else, and start our bot using this fast mode. So the first mode is like almost on trading on every tick. Are we together? So take profit, let's put 24, then we start our bot. So approximately there we will be closer to 200. We have started with losses, and it is trading different markets based on the analysis that it is finding correctly. So we can see there is a drawdown. 13.50. So that is a very big drawdown. 42. Okay, it has recovered. Let's see there. 178 still proceeding. Let's just wait. Remember, we want it to reach to 200, 192, and that is perfect. Let's check. 185 again, 183. So okay, no problem. Remember, we are using a stake of 2. That is why you can see those changes. 196.73 seems the bot has stopped. Let's just scroll down and see. Okay, it had stopped. Take profit hit at 24.14. So after calculating the PNL, it has stopped at 24. So because we are remaining with 4, if we check here, we are now at 196, so we are remaining with only 4 USD. What do you do? Remember, I've told you anytime that you are closer to your take profit, and as much as small as it is, remember, I don't know how Deriv usually start now or studying what you are doing. So we are going to use the same 2.6, yes, no problem. But now the stake, instead of using 2, let's use 0.5, because I know what happens. I have never understood the logical. Maybe it's only on my side. Whenever I'm so near to my take profit, things get start to go haywire. So let's see whether we should take the smallest time possible to reach to 4. But I understand what Deriv can do after you have scooped some trades from them. So currently we should be making, you can see 195, 194, okay, 195, 186 again, 186 again, 163, hey, 140, 160, hey. And remember, we are using a 0.3, 0.5. Hey, you see, if I had a 2, already this account could be brown. Already the account could be brown. See, we are at a very, very big drawdown, and I hope, though our account is safe using 0.5, it is very, very safe. So probably that those are streaks that the rev usually come out, and it especially because of this jump index. So we can see the progress, and I'm hoping that we are going to recover all the loss, the negatives 40 something. We need to return to where we were and then make the 4 USD. So that is not a challenge, that is not new to me. I've always seen this. So at times I even don't target to, maybe if I'm closer and then only like 4 USD or 2 USD remaining, and or less than 20, and I was based on whatever stake I was using. If I am very closer, I just leave it. I just leave those few dollars to and assume them, because now you see where it has taken me. It has returned me a very big drawdown, but I understand it mostly happens whenever you are coming to do what we call the finishing time. The finishing time, where you want to completely feel your take profit. That is when Deriv, I don't know how they can understand that now this guy is almost hitting his take profit. Therefore, we are going to return him down, but at least our take profit, I mean our capital there is good. You can see jump index 8 point. Okay, we have recovered with jump index 50. Jump index 50, read again, no problem. Let's check. Okay, at least we are at a drawdown of negative 12, aiming to reduce all that negative back to profits, the back to a plus something. So that is common. I don't know whether your side usually happens that way. Whenever you have traded and made it, and then you are very close to hitting that target, hitting the take profit, it starts doing these awkward streak trades, which maybe I usually see as if they are manipulated, but I understand. That's why I knew I will just reduce my stake, my stake, and after reducing my stake, you can see how it has helped me. So we are negative 5. So this one we are going to complete it. I'm very pretty sure we are going to be done because of our stake. The stake is small, therefore, and the take our capital was big, so therefore we are going to be done from that loss. That is something I'm assured of. So let's just observe and see where we are going to reach. And every time I can advise you, whenever you have traded, made something, and then you want to maybe target, and you can see the remaining amounts for you to make it, it's only like 2 to 3 USD or 5 or 7, quit. As long as you've made better profits from there. Like now we had already made around 56 USD, but now because of curiosity and wanting to reach the 16 mark, you can see what now the challenge we are having right now. So we are currently hoping that we are reaching at 60 USD, Perfect. So we have reached at 60 and it has stopped at 4.62 USD. So we are done there. So we can just scroll upwards and see we have reached at 60 and it has fulfilled our 200 USD. So that is where we are going to stop and follow. This is what the reality is. The reality happens as you see. When you are very close to your take profit, that is when manipulation, or I don't know what happens. So comment below whether you have always gotten a challenge when you are getting closer to your take profit. Otherwise, that's where we call it a day. This is Tradeprofx. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, and keep trading, keep being successful, and I wish you all a happy, successful trading month with better profits. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.